Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I was talking with the ChatGPT around the 3 AI industry topics. So let's get started. Hello, can you hear me?
I hear you perfectly, loud and clear. How's everything on your end?
I want to talking with you around the 3 AI topic.
That sounds like a great plan. Go ahead and toss me the first topic and we'll dive right in.
And now we move the AI table and I have a NAN workflow which can automatically gather and generation a daily AI topic summarize. So the first topic is let me check. Claude Fable 5 is interesting.
That's intriguing. So what are your thoughts on companies? So Claude 5 is in the spotlight. What about it caught your attention? Is it a new feature or just how it stacks up to other models?
I have seen a lot of the discussing around this top model. The positive, the comment, they say this model was better than any another models in the coding area, but it's the very ultra higher the price that more people speaking. You can only write some code, but against the lawyer can make the money to cover the token, the cost.
Yeah, it's a fascinating trade-off. You get power, but you pay for it. I think that's why it's crucial to have a business lens. If the code you write creates enough value to outweigh the cost, then a model's expense becomes a tool for growth, not just a cost.
So, do you think so much higher the price that is really can let AI to get into the more regular people the daily work, the process?
It depends on how accessible they make it in tiers. Right now, the top models might be priced for businesses or power users, but if they offer lighter versions or API access for smaller tasks, it could still help everyday folks. It's all about balance and scaling.
So we can more realize how important about the Chinese model development. For example, like the DeepSeek. In the last day, I have a customer who want to need the codecs and the integration the DeepSeek to help her to summarize and construct some sale data in the Amazon about the I don't know what is exactly the product, like the fan, the automatic fan. This is the name fan. Yes, DeepSeek only in charge you only need to in charge the $2, which can support you whole talking and make some the simple operation, but the $2 even don't cover you the cost the one you talking with the Claude Fable 5 about the hello. A simple hello may cost you $2 or $3.
You're right, there's a stark contrast in cost models. These more affordable, focused tools, like DeepSeek, can democratize AI for specific tasks. Meanwhile, premium models like Claude Fable 5 are more like high-end investments. It comes down to picking the right tool for the job. Sometimes you just need a fan tool, not a luxury model.
Luxury model. How can I understanding the education words?
Well, just like with any other domain, education here means getting familiar with the tools and their economics. Knowing when a simple, targeted AI can solve your problem versus when you need a top-tier model. The more you experiment, read about practical use cases, and maybe even test some tools yourself, the clearer that balance of cost and benefit becomes.
So, if I want you give me some the recommendation, so I need to use the different model in a different situation, right?
Exactly. Think of it like a toolbox. For routine or smaller tasks, you can reach for simpler, cheaper models. But when you've got complex, high-value problems, like nuanced code or business-critical tasks, then investing in a top-tier model makes sense. It's all about using the right tool for the right job.
So I let me think about have any another thoughts about this topic. Do you have any another the thoughts can share with me?
I'd say one more thought. As models evolve, don't get locked into the mindset that the best today will be the best tomorrow. Stay adaptable because both prices and capabilities shift. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and stay curious because AI's future might surprise all of us.
You say what you talking is right for me, but I still have a bit of the nervous that I can use the top tier models. Some of the reason is really higher the price, and another reason is I have very familiar to use the Codex, the OpenAI ecosystem, the whole ecosystem OpenAI products. So only depend the so bit of the in advanced coding performance, which cannot let me give up and get how to say get off the live out the OpenAI ecosystem.
I get that completely. You don't have to abandon what you know and trust. You can keep using OpenAI's ecosystem for most tasks. And if you ever need a special edge, you can just dabble in those other models. It's like having a familiar home base, but keeping a plane on standby. Only take off when you really need to fly far.
Okay, we move to the next topic.
Sure, I'm ready when you are. Just let me know what you'd like to dive into next. That's a juicy topic. The gap between marketing hype and what devs actually experience is real. What's your take? Do you think the marketing oversells what these tools can realistically do?
I never listened the Amazon their shelf the AI tools. Which the AI tools? Can you take some simple introducing for me?
Sure. Amazon has tools like Code Whisperer, which suggests code as you type, similar to GitHub Copilot. Internally, some engineers jokingly nicknamed it Sloppenheimer to poke fun at imperfect or sloppy code suggestions. It's just a reminder that AI tools still need human oversight, but they're improving fast.
A whisper. I first time to listen about it. It like similarly like the Claude coder.
You got it. It's in the same category. A code completion AI that integrates into your IDE, suggesting code as you work. So, if you're ever curious, it's just another tool you could test out in your coding adventures.
Oh, that's really extra the situation, because if you are a developer, you should use the latest the AI coding tools and the integration the latest top tier model, but the limit by the limit by the business competition, you may be blocked to use the latest AI product like the Claude code.
That's a great point. The reality is businesses have to balance tools with cost, licensing, or even internal policy. But even if you can't use every cutting-edge tool, the skills you build, like problem solving and adaptability, will keep you sharp no matter what tools are at hand.
So, do you think about this the big company they shall open the limitation for the basic developer apartment, or the shall force them to use the company shall shelf the coding agent?
I think big companies will always control what tools fit their strategy. But over time, pressure from developers might push them to integrate more advanced tools. Some will remain cautious, others might open up. In the end, I bet the most flexible companies will keep their developers happiest.
You say shall be right.
I'm glad it resonated. Ultimately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer, but it's about making the best of the tools you can access and advocating when you think change is needed. Let's keep that balanced mindset.
We move to the next topic.
Absolutely. Whenever you're ready with the next one, hit me with it and we'll roll right on. That's quite a shift, whether it's OpenAI pushing for profits or Apple leaning on Google. It shows how even the biggest players need each other. What's your take on these partnerships? Do you think they help or hinder innovation?
How to expression the Chinese in English? 我作为一个苹果手机用户。
As an iPhone user.
Oh, thank you. As an iPhone user, I want to express the thoughts about the Siri AI. Even though the Siri AI was temporarily don't get the access to deploying in the Chinese mainland, but I think the Apple was make a true choice because based on the information I currently gather, the model still be the Apple developer, but based some of the open model, open model in. So they want to keep the government strategy requirement and keep their promise for the user data privacy. So they are the choice to develop a new model and use and applying in the Chinese mainland market. So I think Apple still have a good position in the AI race because from the open cloud, this innovation take the cell performance better of the Mac Mini, and currently the local AI can make the MacBook and the iPhone have a more the advance in the competitive, not only in the wire ecosystem, the experience or the wire the ultra design.
As an iPhone user, even though Siri AI isn't yet deployed in mainland China, I think Apple made a smart choice. The model still comes from Apple, but integrates some open models to meet regulatory needs and ensure user privacy. They're developing a model specifically for China. I believe Apple will stay strong in the AI race. Local AI boosts the performance of devices like Mac Mini, and it gives both MacBooks and iPhones a competitive edge, not just in ecosystem experience, but in design excellence too.
Yes, but I want to listen your thoughts about the Siri AI.
I think Siri's evolution is overdue, and if Apple is leaning on others to catch up, that's probably pragmatic. But long term, they'll want control. If they can deliver a model tailored for China and privacy while keeping that Apple polish, they'll have a shot at making Siri truly competitive.
So we're talking back to the OpenAI, and this topic saying ChatGPT profit a pivot. What does mean the pivot? Can you expression in the Chinese?
转向盈利的意思就是原本是一个单纯的聊天界面，现在要转变成一个盈利中心，为了上市做准备。
I got what you mean. So, we can see the OpenAI have take some the attempt in the codex to more marketing the codex, get into a lot of the industry, not only the programmer. So OpenAI may take some the better in the codex to occupation the more traditional industry, the computer.
Yeah, they've definitely broadened their horizons. It's not just about coders anymore. AI is creeping into every corner, from writing to customer service to business processes. OpenAI is making sure they have a piece of every pie. And that pivot is all about making it profitable for them.
So, do you have a positive or the negative looking forward this the OpenAI is the whole strategy?
I'd say it's a mix. On the positive side, making the tool valuable for more industries means more innovation. On the other hand, focusing too much on profit could dilute the core experience for developers. It's all about balance. If they keep both innovation and user trust front and center, it could be a win.
Okay, thank you talking with the today the podcast.